All right, so I'm here with Mr. Steve Knapp. If you don't know this guy, he is amazing on social media. He's a legend when it comes to all things sales. And he's here at the trade show we're at right now, the Sales Innovation Expo. Steve, my question for you is really simple. If you could give one piece of advice to a salesperson who's starting their career, what would it be?
Well, the one piece of advice is care. Care about what you sell. Really believe in it. And from that position, you'll be really, really successful.
So how do you define care?
Well, it's like invest yourself. Invest yourself in your company, invest yourself in your product, and actually from there you will add value to your clients. Because you know what? Have you ever sat in a meeting with somebody or a sales call and it's been really boring? But you know why? Because that person doesn't care. Caring is infectious.
So there you have it. Steve Knapp. If you don't follow him on LinkedIn, do it. Fantastic content, great talent in this man. Check him out. His lesson for you, if you're early in your sales career, because one place you can invest for success is to care. And it is so true because your attitude defines everything. Attitude defines outcomes. Steve Knapp right here. I'm Darryl. We'll talk to you soon.